Here they come. Here comes. You ready to come see your baby brother?
Yeah.
Come here.
Oh.
Get their faces. You want to see them?
Yeah.
Come over on this side. Daddy can see with the camera. He's got cream on his eyes because the doctors put on there. Come here, Jackson. Come here.
Okay, I think he's got creams on his eyes.
It's to keep their eyes healthy.
Can you say Otto?
His name is Otto.
Otto, yep.
Oh.
That's your brother.
I think he's not butter.
He is definitely not butter.
I think he's not ziggy-zaggy.
Nor
No.
ziggy-zaggy, nope.
You want to come sit up
You know
here?
what Zoe said to me on the way down here?
What?
I love that
I
baby.
don't like that name.
She wouldn't like any name. Every name we ever told her she didn't like. Put your legs up
So how
here.
much did he weigh?
8 pounds, 9 ounces.
Wow.
Want to see his hair too?
Yeah.
Oh.
Ohio State Chaos. Cool.
Why
Hold
did
your
you
hand
get
up.
these eyes? Can you tie my shoes?
You can kiss his head.
Yeah.
You want to see his hair?
Now let me turn this way. Hold still.
There.
What?
He didn't get a real bath yet.
Got a sponge bath, that's about it. Here he comes
He's
to cry.
gonna cry. He's
Nope.
been crying ever since he's born.
Says you're the quietest he's been the whole time we've had him.
Can we sit up here with Mom too?
You up there with Mom? Look at that face.
Doing the whole thing. He's little, huh? Is he warm in your lap? Now you can send pictures to Brittany and stuff. Our phone isn't.
Oh, John.
Wanna feel his hand, Jackson?
You see, you put your finger here.
Okay.
See? Just put one finger out right there under his hand.
Okay. But he does not want me to.
That's okay. He cries a lot. It's okay. We'll wrap him up. See?
That's a louder cry than your baby doll, huh? Yeah.
Do you think he looks like either one of them?
Jackson. I think it's Jackson.
Hey, we look like we have to stop him cry.
Yeah. How you gonna make him stop crying?
Get him a bottle.
Get him a bottle. Yeah, that might work.
They've got it all figured out, haven't they?
Okay.
Hey, why are you
Want your brother
under
to turn
this
his face?
blanket?
So I can be covered up. You want to hold him? Not while he's crying.
Oh, no.
Come here and
yeah.
sit by me like Zoe was. You want to sit by me like Zoe was? No?
Let me get a good picture and then I'll send it to Brittany. Ooh, there.
We need to give
Yeah,
him
he's
a
gonna cry.
shirt.
Yeah, he doesn't have any clothes either.
No,
Can you say happy birthday, Otto? Say that, Jackson. Say happy birthday, Otto.
I don't think so.
I don't think so.
Do you want to hold him, Jackson?
He's going to cry.
Do you want? No, he's okay. Did you get a good one
You
for
can
Brittany?
hold him. Hey,
He's crying.
Mom, you can hold him.
Okay, you don't want to?